Good day, ma'am. This is our fourth session. Ayan, ang gagawin natin sa araw na ito ay translation, English into Tagalog. Ipapasubok ko muna sa'yo na basahin ang isang paragraph kasama ang title. Tapos, susubukan mo itong i-translate sa Filipino. Kung hindi mo alam, tutulungan naman kita kung paano mag-translate. Subukan mo muna itong isang paragraph. Basahin mo muna bago mo i-translate.
The Singa, how Singapore was made. Sang Nila Utama, an imaginative and adventurous king, was restless by nature and wanted to travel far away places. He loved hunting wild animals. So when he heard that deer were stuck in the jungle, often jungbentam, which were not easy to hunt, he was excited and took with him a great fleet of ships to Jungbentam.
Sige, subukan mo munang i-translate. Tapos, kapag natapos mo yan, babasahin mo yung Filipino. The Singa, how Singapore was named. Ano ba ang Tagalog ng da? Ang Singa. How? Paano? Singapore was named, pinangalanan. Si Sang Nila Utama. Sang Nila Utama na. Utama. Niluluwang ng mga space mo. Ay isang travel, naglakbay. Far away places, sa malayong lugar. Malayong lugar. Tanggalin mo na yung siya. Kasi may nilagay ka naman ng siya na lang. Sa malayong lugar. Wild, mababangis. Mabangis. Wild, mabangis. When he heard that, narinig or nalaman. Noong nalaman niya stag sinilang of Tanjong Bentong, which were not easy to hunt. He was excited and took with him a great fleet of ships in Tanjong Bentong. Tanjong Bentang. Which were not easy to hunt. Hindi madaling mahanap. Which were not He was excited and took with him a great fleet. Mahanap. He was excited. Di ko din alam kung paano yan. Siya ay nasisiyahan na lang. Ano yan? Nasisiyahan? Sige. Basta mawata matasurat niya. Nasisiyahan. With him a great fleet of ships. Di ko alam ito. Basta ilagay mo lang sumakay siya pala ng sasakyang pandagat. Pandagat papunta ng ano ba nakalagay dito? Tanjong Bentang. Tapos na. Ngayon ay subukan mo naman itong basahin. Naintindihan mo yung sulat na. Basa.
Ang Singga. Paano pinangalanan ang Singga? Isang nila Utama ay isang hari.
Lakasan mo
Siya ay naglalakbay sa malayong lugar upang maghanap ng mababangis na hayop. Dahil iyan ang kanyang libangan. Noong nalaman niyang mayroong hayop sa lugar ng Tanjong Bentang, ngunit hindi ito madaling mahanap. Siya ay nasisiyahan at sumakay siya ng sasakyang pandal papuntang Tanjong Bentang.
Let's proceed to conversation. Do you still remember the title of the story that we read last time?
Yes.
What is the title of the story?
The Singga. How Singapore was named.
What is the name of the king in the story?
Sang Nila Utama.
Where does the king go when he wants to hunt wild animals? Saang lugar yung pinuntahan ng king noong gusto niyang maghanap ng mga animals?
Tanjong Bentang.
Tanjong Bentang. Ano pa? Noong pumunta sila sa Tanjong Bentang, ano yung natanaw ng king nung siya ay nasa taas ng bundok?
Island.
Island. What is the name of the island?
Temasek.
Temasek.